Hello, good day everyone. So, meron tayong another playlist sa ating channel which is the techniques, okay, in mathematic or scientific. Okay, so we have here that Kramer's 3 by 3 rule, the system of equation using the Microsoft Excel. So, meron tayong given problem. So, ito, a minus 2b plus c is equals to 5. 2a plus b minus c is equals to negative 1. And 3a plus 3b minus 2c is equals to negative 4. So, kapag minanual mo to, medyo mahaba yung process. But if you allowed to use some resources or mabilisang computation, so pwede tong Excel using the Excel if you solve by Kramer's rule. So, ito yung equation natin, 'di ba? So, sinulat ko muna siya dito. Okay? So, 1 negative 2 and 1, 5. So, 1 negative 2, 1 and 5. So, ililista mo lang siya dito. So, yung variable, as isa algebra, kapag variable lang siya, ang value niya is 1. So, depending on the sign. So, ang una nating gagawin is to find the determinant. So, yung determinant is yung ipang-divide mo after mo makuha si dx, si dy, and si dz. So, pagkuha ng determinant, kopyahin mo muna yung value or the numerical coefficient ng equation. So, hindi mo isasama yung pinang-equate. So, copy, then, yan. So, ayan yung una nating gagawin. So, hindi mo sinama muna si 5, negative 1, and 4. So, ang mangyayari dyan, dito, okay, click mo muna to or any cell. So, dito, auto-sum, more functions, then hanapin mo, i-type mo si mdterm. Dapat, ayan, mdterm. So, returns the matrix determinant of an array. Okay. So, i-highlight mo yung cells. So, ito yon, di ba? So, this is 3 by 3. So, makuha mo determinant ay 2. So, that's the determinant natin. Okay? So, next is the dx. Ngayon, pag kinuha mo yung determinant ni x, be careful na ang ilalagay mo is yung pinang-equate sa equation. So, which is the 5, 1, negative 1, and negative 4. So, siya yung una mong ilalagay. Okay? Since si x ang ating hinahanap. Then, next, we have the y and z. So, is pa rin siya. Okay. So, ganun pa rin. Insert function, more functions. Okay, so nagkamali. So, pwede mo rin i-type mdterm kasi nasa history mo na siya. Okay. So, mdterm of teka, kamali. So, para mas mabilis, ganito na lang. More functions, mdterm, then highlight mo yung cells 2. So, hindi pa yan yung sagot So, dy naman. So, since kay y tayo, hinahanap natin determinant ni y, i-copy mo to, yung pinang-equate uli. So, which is the 5, negative 1, and negative 4. Okay? Teka. So, ito. Copy. Dito kay y, then paste. Then si x, kung ano yung nasa original equation mo. Kasi hindi naman na siya yung hinahanap mo. Then si z, ganun pa rin. Okay. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, ganun uli. So, more functions, may mdterm. Highlight mo yung cells. Okay. Then, ayan yung determinant natin sa y, which is the negative 2. Okay. So, sa dz, papalitan mo na si z nung pinang-equate. So, ito. Yan. Then, si dx and dy as is siya. Okay. So, ganun uli. More functions. Mdterm. So, highlight uli natin yung cells. Okay. So, we have 4. So, highlight mo para hindi ka malito. Okay. So, kukunin mo na yung value ni x. So, pag kinuha si x, so that will give us dx over the deter. Or the determ, also known as the determinant. So, siya yung pinang-divide. So, teka. Okay. So, to find that will give us x is equals to 2. 2 over 2, that will give us x is equals to 1. So, yan yung una nating sagot. Okay? So, si y naman. So, to get the y, that is dy over deter. Okay? So, to find y, so y is equals to negative 2 over 2. That will give you negative 1. So, y is equals to negative 1. So, yun yung ating second final answer. Then, si z naman. So, z is equals to dz over deter. So, we have to get z is equals to 4 over 2. So, we will get z as 2. Okay. So, ito yung ating 3 answer. X is 1, Y is negative 1, and Z is 2. Okay. So, ganyan lang yung paggamit ng Excel kapag nagsosolve tayo ng Cramer's Rule. Okay. So, that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye.